Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Java programming class. So in this class, let's discuss about this keyword. Okay, we have the skeleton here. I created a demo class and saved it as demo.java file. I'm just declaring a variable x. Then let me write a constructor. The name of the constructor is same as the name of the class. And I am passing the variable x. I want to initialize x using this constructor. So I am writing x is equal to x semicolon. I have the constructor there, and let me create an object. Demo d is equal to new demo. Let me pass some integer there. Okay. I just want to print the value of x. System.out.println. What is the value of x in d? So d dot x. Okay. System.out.println d.x. Okay. Let me save it and compile. Java C demo.java. Then run it. Java demo. The value is 0. So d.x is 0. Where I am passing 56 here, it should be initializing our instance variable. What is the problem? The problem is the situation here is known as instance variable hiding. My instance variable is x, but it was hidden inside this constructor. The reason is I have the parameter which is also x. So whenever I refer to x in this block inside the constructor, it refers to local variable, not the instance variable. So instance variable is getting hidden because of the local variable. So what to do? So is it that I should not give the name of the parameter as the same name of the instance variable? The answer is no. We can use it. The solution or the way to resolve this is just use this dot x. This always represents the current instance. Okay. So when I say this dot x, in this case d is my current instance because I am calling d dot x. Okay. So this dot x is equal to d dot x. So I am telling d dot x is equal to x. So this 56 is passed or assigned to this variable, local variable x, and this value is in turn assigned to this dot x. So it is our instance variable. The x value will be 56 now. Okay. Let us check it again. Save. Compile and run. You can see the value is 56. So we can use this to resolve instance variable hiding problem. Okay. And this always represents the current object. This is one application of this. Okay. So I just want to show another application of this. Let me create another constructor. This is parameterless constructor, and I am printing system.out.println parameterless. So when this constructor is invoked, this statement must be printed. And in this, what I am doing is system.out.println parameterized constructor or constructor with parameters. Okay. So I have two constructors. Here I am creating an object demo d is equal to new demo. Which constructor should be called? Because I am passing an integer value here. This argument will be matching this particular constructor. Okay. Demo int x, this dot x is equal to x. This will be there, and parameter constructor will be printed there. Okay. Then I am printing the value of x based on that it will be printed. Let me run it. Java C demo.java Java demo. You can see that parameterized constructor and 56 were printed there. Okay. Now I want to use this to call or invoke another constructor. I can do that. For example, if I say this colon as the first line of this constructor, demo index, then what happens is that this is going to invoke the parameterless constructor. So when I create the object now, the statement that is first this particular constructor will be executed, then this constructor will be executed. Okay, let me check it. Save. Now see, you can see this. First of all, it was printed parameterless, that is from the parameterless constructor, and parameterized constructor from this constructor, and 56. The x value is now 56. Okay, you can see this. When I call this with open and close brace parenthesis, then it is calling the constructor. Can I do it in different way? If I come here and let us assume that if you want to call this constructor from here, I can do it. I can say that this, let us pass some value 56 or 99 and semicolon. So what should happen now when I say this 99? That should call this constructor, demo index. Okay, then initialize the value of x with 99. Both statements will be printed. Let me check it. I am removing this value. So I am invoking this parameterless constructor and see what happens. Save. Compile. Demo. You can see that parameterized constructor that was called because this is the first line. This statement is called x is initialized. Then again the next statement parameterless constructor. Then the value of x is 99. Okay. So this is about this. Okay. Let us come here and see. This refers to the current object. In the following cases we use this. One is instance variable hiding. When we want, in the case is that the instance variable is hidden, then we use this to solve that. We have already seen an example there. And to call a constructor. So we can call a constructor using this and parenthesis, open and close. Based on the parameters or arguments you pass, which constructor will be invoked is decided. This should be the first line in the constructor. To use it as to invoke the constructor, the rule is this should be the first line in your constructor. Okay. If you are using this, then you cannot use super. And if you are using super, you cannot use this. Okay. So we will learn about super when we learn about inheritance. This is about this keyword in Java. Thank you everyone.